Welcome back. Thanks so much for staying with us here on India Today. 6 days after two seers and their driver were lynched by a mob in Maharashtra's Palghar, the family of the victims is now demanding death sentence for the culprits. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has assured that all the culprits will be brought to book. He has also asserted that there is no communal angle to this incident. 2 policemen have already been suspended and over 100 have been arrested in this case. Yesterday, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also dialed Uddhav Thackeray and demanded strict action against these culprits.
मैं तो सरकार से यही गुजारिश कर रही हूँ कि मुझे न्याय चाहिए। न्याय मतलब क्या, तो उन लोग को फांसी ही होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस बेरहमी से उन लोग को मारा है उस तरह से उनको फांसी सरकार ने देनी चाहिए।
वो 16 तारीख को गया था सुबह 10:30 बजे गाड़ी लेके। वो महाराज को लेके गया था, सूरत जा रहा था छोड़ने के लिए। तो उधर से ऐसा हादसा हो गया पालघर में। वो 17 तारीख को सुबह पता चला पुलिस आने के बाद कि ऐसा हादसा हो गया 5 बजे। अरे छोटे छोटे बच्चे है, 2 बहू है, बेटा है एक मेरा, ये बड़ा बेटा था मेरा। हाँ, वो मेरा मेन हिम्मत वाला था, मतलब उससे हमारा घर चलता था। वो भी हो ही नहीं रहा तो हम आगे क्या करेंगे। न्याय मांगता है मेरे को।
मैंने तो अपना भाई खोया है, लेकिन इस देश में जो ये निर्मम हत्या हुई है साधुओं की, तो मैं ये कहूँगी कि ये हमारे देश में हमेशा संतों को पूजा जाता रहा है और संतों की निर्मम हत्या ये बहुत बड़ी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण हमारे लिए, हमारे देश के लिए, हमारे समाज के लिए है।
Saurav Aktania reporting from Mumbai is now joining us live. Saurav, where does the probe stand? The Uddhav Thackeray government seems to have swung into action with over 100 arrests taking place. How far before the culprits are finally brought to book? The victims next to kin is suggesting death sentence for the culprits as well. What does the law really entail? What are you picking up from the legal eagles on this?
Well, right now, Chaiti, in this particular case, over 100 arrests have been made, like you said, but lot of combing operation has been done. The family member too have said, and also the police officials who were present at that particular time clearly said that the mob of around 2,000 people was present there. Now, this particular family, the driver, the Nilesh Telgade family, he actually works in a garage in Kandivali. He is the sole breadwinner of the family. Around 6 family members stays. 2 small kids, one is 7-year-old daughter and another is a 5-year-old daughter. Now, he was the only breadwinner for the family. The family clearly alleged that they could not even see the face of their kin, that is Nilesh Telgade. It was so much brutally he was murdered. Also, both the sadhus who were actually murdered by the mob were so brutally killed that nobody could watch their faces. After 2 days, they got their body back, and now they clearly have alleged that this is a murder which one cannot even imagine, and nothing less than a death penalty is required in this particular case. Now, the family of the driver is also demanding that some financial help which can be done to them, because the mother of the driver is very old and she needs a lot of medical aid. The whole family actually dependent on Nilesh Telgade. Whereas we speak about both the Maharaj, one of the Maharaj, Chaiti, the 70-year-old Kalpavriksha Maharaj, who is originally from Nashik. He only came to Mumbai to attend the Navratri festival. Now, due to lockdown, he had to remain over here. He had to attend the funeral at Surat anyhow. But as you can see how he actually was mob lynched while on the way to Surat. They have demanded inquiry and also an action against the cops, because the cops was a mere spectator in this particular incident. A high-level inquiry has already been initiated. Right now, lot of combing operation in that whole particular 50-kilometer area of radius. Combing operation has been done, and lot of accused are been identified. Right now, what we have learned from our sources that around 200 to 300 people have been identified, and detailed questioning is still going on, Chaiti.
All right. All right, Saurabh, thanks for getting us those details. The gruesome mob lynching of two sadhus and their driver in Palghar have definitely sent shockwaves across the nation. The BJP has targeted the Maharashtra government and has questioned alleged inaction by the police. Here's a detailed report.
These images have sent shockwaves across the country. The barbaric visuals are from Maharashtra's Palghar. Two elderly men and their driver are lynched by villagers as a policeman watches. The villagers suspected the victims to be thieves. The incident occurred when three men from Kandivali in Mumbai were headed towards Surat in a car to attend a funeral on Thursday night. Around 10 p.m., they are turned back from the border with Dadra and Nagar Haveli. They did not have any pass to travel during the lockdown. An hour later, their vehicle is stopped and attacked by villagers. The driver calls the police for help. A team from Kasa police station in Palghar reaches the spot at 11:30 p.m. The police try to rescue the trio, but the mob continues to beat the sadhu. One of the cops can be seen stepping aside. The victims' cries for mercy are ignored, they are beaten to death, and the cops too are assaulted. The Maharashtra government has suspended two policemen in connection with the lynching. Over 100 arrests have been made.
ह्यातले 5 जे मुख्य आरोपी आहेत ते आज तुरुंगात आहेत. पुलिस क्या कर रही है, सरकार क्या कर रही है? किया ना, कर रहे हैं, हमने किया, किसी को नहीं बख्शा और किसी को भी हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं. गलतफहमी जो हुई इस कारण इनकी हत्या हुई, लेकिन इसके बावजूद हम किसी को भी छोड़ने वाले नहीं.
The BJP has questioned the alleged inaction by the cops.
मानवता को भी शर्म आए, इस प्रकार की ये क्रूरता है. सबसे शर्मनाक बात यह है कि पुलिस के सामने इस प्रकार से भीड़ लोगों को मारती है.
कई वीडियो में तो ऐसा लग रहा है पुलिस वाले भीड़ के हवाले साधु सन्यासी कर रहे हैं. वो साधु पुलिस वालों को पकड़ने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, हाथ छुड़ा के भाग रहे हैं. हत्यारे तो दोषी हैं ही, पुलिस भी इसमें कम दोषी नहीं है.
The Saint community is too incensed over the incident.
यदि ये कार्रवाई नहीं होती है 3 तारीख के बाद मैं अखिल भारतीय अखाड़ा परिषद के 13 अखाड़ों के पदाधिकारी एवं अखाड़ा परिषद के महामंत्री हरिगिरीश को चर्चा करके ओसिया में नागाओं को आह्वान कर दिया है. लेकर के लाखों नागा, करोड़ों नागा कूच करेंगे.
The Home Ministry has stepped in seeking a report from the state government while the attack is being blamed on rumors of theft. The police cannot wash their hands of the security failure. Just 2 days ago, a team of doctors and the police were attacked in the region based on the same suspicion. With Tanushri Pandey, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.